وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
So Allah says, this, the beauty that I was saying, we get excited when we see something gorgeous around. There is nothing. Wallahi, it is zero. Nothing. Nil. Naught. Imagine the one who created the skies and the earth and everything beautiful and gorgeous, from the sceneries to the human beings to everything else, and all the planets and everything that's flowing and whatever has come, anything in the entire creation. Who made it? You're going to see Him. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Who made me, you, your eyes, your teeth, the pixels, everything? We want to meet Him and we will meet Him. That will be the biggest ever gift that anyone could ever have. And it's going to be over and above what Allah has promised me and you, and what you'll be happy with. We'll already be happy. I mean, you're happy. You know, you give a child one sweet, the child says, oh, I'm happy, very, very happy. And you throw the bag at the child. What will the child do? Oh, I've got a whole bag. SubhanAllah. You know, this is a human being description. It's something minor, small, something very, very finite, something that will come to an end. With Allah, it's infinite. There's no stopping. And you meet Allah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant that to us. And may He, you know, the hadith speaks of a beautiful word, لَذَّةَ النَّظَرِ لَذَّةَ النَّظَرِ إِلَى لِقَائِكَ. Oh Allah, grant us the sweetness of looking at you, Ya Ilah al-Alamin. Oh Allah, grant us the sweetness. It means it's going to be so sweet to the eye to look at Allah. Imagine, if you think things are gorgeous here and it's sweet to the eye and you're looking at it, look down, my brother. There is Allah that you need to look at. That will be the true sweetness of your eyes. And this is why make dua. Ask Allah. Use the dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to make the dua, Ya Allah, grant us this, grant us paradise, and in paradise grant us, you know, the sweetness of looking at you, and so on. That brings me to another point. There will be different levels of paradise. One narration makes mention of 100 levels of paradise. And the top will be for the top. Not to say that the bottom are bad people, but the levels. It depends how hard you work, subhanAllah. What rank you've achieved, how much you really love the Anbiya. We heard moments ago, you love him, you prove that love for him, you achieve that rank, subhanAllah. You achieve that rank. May Allah make us from amongst those who do not merely pay lip service to the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but we really become those who understand.